In this video, we'll talk about logging information while running or warnings during our test execution. This logging of status is important, and developers and automation testers use it. And the most common tool used for that is Log4net, which is equivalent to Log4j in Java world. Log4net is for .NET world, and Log4j, just like I said, is for Java, and it is developed by Apache. So you can get Log4net from Apache website, or the easiest way is to get it from as a NuGet package. So you just go to your NuGet manager and install it, and once you have installed it, then you'll see that here Log4net library. All right, and then in that class of file where you want to do your testing, or you want to log some information, you have to use this using statements to import the relevant library using Log4net, using log4net.config. So we are going to config the file. So some configuration had to be done in order to do the logging. So you can either create an XML file to put that configuration information, or you can use app.config and do the required configuration. So in this case, I'm just going to use app.config. So you can use these XML basically inside app.config to do your logging, but some configuration settings had to be modified based upon your particular environment. So first thing is here, it's saying we're going to append the logs instead of overriding the logs, and then we also need to specify the path of the file where the logs will be added, and also its name. So here this line shows that information. So once you have done that, then you go into your test file. Here it's like a Google search, basically test case. So I'm going to go to google.com and put some search strings and find and do the search for those. So here you will add some, in order to do the logging, you will add these statements. So XML configurator.configure, XML configurator.configure, and then you have to do new system.io.fileinfo and app.config. So that means it's telling that your configuration file is app.config. And then you do ilog and put the reference object variable ologger is equal to log manager.getLogger type of Google search test. So this is the name of your test file and name of your test, and then ologger.info, and put the actual message you want to put it in your log file. So in this case, it's we have navigated to google.com, so that's the message we'll put there. All right, so let's run this test and see if we are able to log that information. So right click, run test. So it's going to open the Firefox browser and then going to navigate to google.com, and that's where it's going to do that logging, that information which we put in the code. So I did that search, and then it's going to close the browser and the test case passed. And let's go to our path where we saved that log file. So it's called logs file. So we open it, and there you see that the last message is navigated to google.com. That's the one which we wanted to see here in the log file, and it is there. So that's it. See you next time.